Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use Google Maps Street View on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is simply go to your Google Maps, and in here you'll have to now pin down a specific location. So in order to pin down a specific location, first of all, you'll need to select the location. For example, I want to see this particular street, so I'm going to long press on it in order to pin it down just like this. Here you can see I have successfully pinned down this particular location. And from here, you can see this image right here. All you have to do is simply just tap on it in order to view the street view. Just like this, here you can see I am now seeing this particular location's street view. So if you simply just scroll around left or right, here you can get the street view correctly. So here you can again tap on this particular arrow right here. We can go front like this. Again, if you tap on it, we can go front again like this. And just like this, you can use the Google Maps Street View on your iPhone. And when you are done with this view, you can also tap on this cross icon right here. And you can see we are back to the normal map. And again, if you want to unpin this, you can tap on this cross icon right here. And we are back to the normal map. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.